Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do our first initial look because the parking lot sale is right around the corner. Our first somewhat deep dive into the main sales. 35% off all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and let's take a look. Of course, parking lot sale starts Monday, April 6th for ITC going through the 9th, and then everyone else saves that Friday through Monday, no ITC required. And in this case, we're going to focus in on the 35% off all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. And we'll focus on some of the heavy hitter items and then some of the items I recommend. But there's going to be a lot of screwdrivers, a lot of pliers. There's a lot of pliers in this sale, of course. And don't forget, today was ITC. Anybody take advantage of your 15% off early access, 30% off any single item? Of course, going through the weekend for everybody else, starting tomorrow, 15% off any single item and 30% off for everybody else. But let's look at all the Icon, Doyle, Quinn, pliers, promotions, and screwdrivers. 87 items. I'll have this linked in the description so everyone knows what's going to be available in the sale. I have this sorted from high to low, and we're starting off with Quinn. They have the highest priced item in the sale. It's the Capri Tools Comparison, 85 bucks, 10 to 50 inch-pound precision torque screwdriver set, 22 pieces total, 85 bucks, 1 inch-pound increments for maximum precision. The bit driver accepts standard 1/4 inch hex bits. Again, $85. This is nice. Who has this already? Who has something similar? Made for accuracy, plus or minus 6%. Lifetime warranty, of course, which is great. And let's see what everybody says. It looks like somebody already did a manual test. They were a bit skeptical at first, but here we have it. They did 3 different tests for the 3 different weights at 10 pounds. Quick head math, 5% would be half a pound, and it's within its plus or minus 6% of accuracy for the 10 pounds. And quick eyeballing, same for the 30 pounds and same for the 50 pounds. Close here at the 52.48, but all within 6%. And I think that's what the review's saying. Skeptical at first, but they're just hoping for longevity. They loved the results. Great for small torque device. Here's the certificate of calibration. Great tool, very solid, great quality, a great investment to have. So that's the first one, 85 bucks. Of course, we're going to bring out the calculator. The deal is 35% off. So at $85, at 35% off, you're getting the Quinn screwdriver set, torque screwdriver set, 22 piece to $55.25. So saving $30. I feel like this is a must get, maybe not a must get, but a great get. Great way to start the promotion. Then we have the Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers. This is the 8 piece. There's, of course, over here, there's a 4 piece. About a $30 difference there. And then there's different snap pliers that are sold individually. But at least for this 8-ring Icon Alert snap ring plier set, 73 bucks. Great pictures, even with the shipping label on here. Come on, Harbor Freight photographers, what are you doing? Lifetime warranty, of course. Let's see what people think. Great product, 4 stars. They work great, just that the grip annoys them. They're saying they were damaged out of the box, but nothing a lifetime warranty wouldn't fix. Few complaints. Great for driveway mechanic. Some people saying these are very low quality, great quality, and then somebody says they're great quality. Great price. Use this on a F250 hub, AC field coil, clutch pulley, and snap ring removal. So mixed, but some high praise. But the real thing here is going to be $73 without the discount, but 35% off, getting them down to $47.45 with a lifetime warranty. You could do a lot worse than these Icon snap ring pliers. We keep going. Here's a big one. Icon Professional Mechanic Screwdriver Set, the 8 piece. Of course, available in red or green, green being the new color. Screwdriver set has an anti-cam out ribs on the Phillips tips for maximum grip on fasteners. Precision machine magnetic tips provide a perfect fit. And I wonder if there's any new reviews on the green ones. Of course, lifetime warranty, 4.8 stars, 96% is great. Icon screwdriver set looks and feels like Snap-on, and that's where the big savings are. As good as Snap-on, at a fraction of the price. Good price, good ergonomics, and good quality. Perfect handles. Loving the green. Here's the green. These are high quality screwdrivers. They handle tough jobs and feel great. And at 50 bucks and at 35% off, getting these down to $32.50. That is a great deal. $32.50 for the new green screwdriver set. Not a bad option to go with. Of course, some 5-inch precision snap ring pliers, 4-piece, $45. You'll get 35% off of that. The Quinn heavy duty impact screwdriver kit, 9-piece at $43. You get that for 35% off. Get it down to $27.95. Heavy duty impact screwdriver delivers powerful rotational force to loosen hard to turn screws, bolts, and nuts. That is nuts. And here, very popular, the Icon 10-inch pliers wrench, $40. And we know these are compared to Knipex. And I'm sure there's going to be in the reviews some nice comparisons. These are $40. Professional pliers wrench has 21 adjustable locking positions for superior fastening, gripping, holding, and bending strength. Sounds like some of the Harbros. All the things the Harbros, some of the things I do. Fastening, gripping, holding, bending. $40. Lifetime warranty. Oh, and here we go. They break it down versus Knipex. Both 10-inch, both chrome and vanadium steel. Cushion grip for the Icon. More number of locking positions for the Icon by 2. And then everything else is the same, but the price, $40 versus $90.52. And here's a great view. Everyday use. Knipex on the right. Icon on the left. 90% the same. Almost exact copies. Everyday use. Great set of pliers. Replaces all my traditional adjustable wrenches. 5 stars. Great design. Very useful pliers. Great pliers. Better than Knipex at a fraction of the cost. Very handy tool. So these are, I don't know if these will run out or be out of stock, but these are a solid pair of pliers to get. $40 at 35% off. Get it down to $26. So I would say this is a must get for a great set of pliers. Of course, you have your Icon 21-inch S-jaw quick adjust pliers. They're 17 and 12 inches. Compared to Snap-on, these are sometimes called Swedish pipe wrench. Harbros let me know why. S-jaw quick adjust pliers easily grip hex, round, square, or other irregularly shaped surfaces. And these also at $40. We'll get them down to $26. So great deal there. Got some Doyle 24-inch compound bolt cutters at $38. We love some Doyle durable chrome moly cutting for thicker materials with less effort. Lifetime warranty as well. And let's see some examples of locks being cut. They worked perfectly. Awesome tool needed to cut part of the housing. So that's pretty straightforward. They're cutting wires, cables, locks. $38. And at 35% off, $24.70. So if you don't have a nice pair of compound bolt cutters, here's a good option for Doyle. Lifetime warranty at $24 compared to Milwaukee. Super, super solid option. Some more options, of course, from Icon for the snap ring pliers. Some Icon 6-inch flush cut pliers. The 11-inch high leverage diagonal cutters from Icon. And then here, these, the Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers at $30 compared to Snap-on again. Professional 3-position long nose slip joint pliers have cross hatched teeth for superior grip strength and overall control. Not in stock at my store, and I have a feeling, hopefully this is not the case, I have a feeling that these will be some of the first ones to go even if you're ITC. So at $30, we'll do the discount now at 35% off, getting them down to $19.50. So sub $20 for some of the most popular pliers, not just at Harbor Freight, just in general. And of course, again, compared to Snap-on. But here, my favorite part, again, lifetime warranty. But let's see. And I'm not surprised. I don't think I've seen this. 100% of customers will recommend this item. 4.9 out of 5 stars. Let's see why. Not quite the same, but at a fraction of the price. Snap-on the left, Icon on the right. Great, have been long time coming. Quality is not quite there with its competitor, but 120% price justifies that. Most people would never notice a difference. I do. Icon all day. Great addition to the Icon pliers. New go-to pliers. My favorite pair. Cross-serrated teeth. Grip objects very well. Provide excellent control. Solid pair of long nose slip joint pliers. Fantastic addition to your tool arsenal. Extremely versatile set of long nose pliers they saw at SEMA. Great product for a third of the price. Not already a third of the price, but we're about to get it for 35% off. Versatile, incredible grip. Here's a zoom in of the precision and grip. Another zoom in of the crosshatch grip here at different scales. Incredible, versatile grip. My new go-to pliers. There's not much else to say. 100% customer recommended, 30 bucks. You can get them down to $19.50. These are for sure must-gets if you don't have them. For $19. Of course, the Quinn Premium Screwdriver Set, solid choice, $28. You're getting a 15-piece. Durable and precise screwdriver set, has magnetic tips for added control. Relatively straightforward. For Quinn, you're getting decent quality, pretty good quality, at an excellent price. So you're not breaking the bank at all, and you're getting something that's going to last you. 28 bucks makes that value proposition even better. Get them down to $18.20. So about $1 per screwdriver, and they have a wide range of sizes. Chrome vanadium steel, 99% of customers recommend, 4.8. This person had buyer's remorse, but solid and great variety of sizes. I think that's what this is. Look at that. The tiny little screwdrivers to some of the big screwdrivers. It's going to cover all bases. So at 28 bucks, getting it down to $18. So great choice to go with to have a complete set of screwdrivers. Quinn. Of course, the Quinn high voltage electrician's pliers, 3-piece, 28 bucks. Also get it down to $18. Quinn with a solid choice here of the pliers. They're 4-piece compared to gear wrench, 25 bucks. Get this down to $16.25. And again, Quinn's just going to give you a great variety of tools for a really low price, and their lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong. Doyle's 10-inch cable cutters, Doyle's 12-inch fast adjust water pump pliers. Here's Doyle's heavy-duty screwdriver 6-piece. Similar to Quinn, 25 bucks. Heavy-duty screwdrivers with precision tips. Some even have the impact backing here. Compared to Klein tools. And get them down again, $16.25. Can't go wrong with some Doyle. These, of course, are very specific. And actually, I would recommend these as well, because I don't see this is the choice at Harbor Freight, and it's the 10-inch adjustable soft jaw pliers, because every once in a while you'll need some soft jaws to not scuff something. Prevent damage to cannon, plugs on aircraft, as well as other delicate connections. 22 adjustable positions, maximum 3-inch jaw capacity, $25, lifetime guarantee. And I want to see what people are using these for. Great product, very helpful. I needed a non-marking pliers, and this was a great choice. Is this a sprinkler? Nice to have when gripping things that you don't want to scratch up or damage, plastic parts, shiny tools. Love it with a 35% off parking lot sale. This was back in 2025. And no more pictures, but that's what we're doing now. 35% off, 25 bucks, $16.25. I think this is a must in your tool bag. You're going to need something soft sometimes to not mar it. Icon 8-inch fast adjust push button slip joint pliers, 25 bucks. Universal hose clamp pliers, some more. Doyle cushion grip set, screwdrivers, diagonal cutters, slip joint pliers, 3-position from Icon. The electrician shears, multi-purpose pliers, 22 bucks. 35% off, get it down to $14.30. These are some strippers that you might fall in love with. Be careful. Let's take a look at some of the stripper pictures here. Didn't have a spring load, that's fine. More than expected, great tool. Well made, versatile. Great use for auto electric work. All right, they have me sold. Decent option. Get it down to $14.30. Of course, the Icon 11-inch long reach needle nose pliers, 45-degree long reach pliers, pistol grips, and we're getting into the territory of previous sales at 30% off, $20 and under. Here's the 8-inch needle nose pliers, 20 bucks, of course, compared to Snap-on as well. Professional needle nose pliers, cross-hatch surfaces. Are these as popular? 98% customers would recommend this. And here we are. These are the ones that are gripping the nickels. Look at that grip. Great quality feel. We'll pick up a nickel by the rim so you can tell they have precision machining. Absolute excellent pliers. Look at that. Are they cheating? Is it lifted? Working at a dealer, it works pretty good when working on many jobs. The quality is really good, and I like how the grip matches up close to the Snap-on ones. Would recommend. Great hand tool. And again, not sure if these will be out of stock, but 20 bucks. Get them down to $13 flat. Save $7. And of course, different options of pliers. The 8-inch hose grip pliers from Icon. Do you want to stop on these? The Quinn diamond tip screwdriver 6-piece, Harbro approved over the last couple of years. 6-piece screwdriver set has diamond coated tips to grip screw heads tight. Very nice. 17 bucks. And at 35% off, getting it down to $11.05 for what are some of the more popular screwdrivers at Harbor Freight, comparing to all of them. From the feedback I've seen over the last 24 months, 97%, a little low if you ask me. Well made, very sturdy set of screwdrivers. Great set for my tool pegboard. Nice addition to my Quinn collection. Another Quinn value, and that's what Quinn does. They do value really great. $11 for some diamond tip screwdrivers. You can't go wrong. Save the bank. Get some great screwdrivers. Absolutely approved. Icon professional mini screwdriver set. Can't go wrong with those. And I do again want to focus in on these, the Quinn precision screwdriver set 12 piece. These have been on great deals in the past. And this is going to be as close as a great deal as they get to these 15 bucks compared to Wera. Screwdriver set has 3 holding zones, precision power, and fast spinning. Easy maneuverability. It includes precision slotted Phillips, hex, and star screwdrivers. To be honest, anything compared to Wera, I'm a big fan of Wera, and I love that Harbor Freight is doing it through Quinn. 15 bucks, 35% off. Get them down to sub 10 bucks, $9.75. Let's just see if some of the reviews match up. Okay, 96%, so there's some. 4 stars, decent. Saw it, had to have it. It's okay. Price was right. I don't know why they gave it 4 stars. That sounds like a 5-star review. Way too many flathead screwdrivers. Okay, still. Sounds like a 5-star review. Great value, great set of screwdrivers for working on microscopes. Great value at a very fair price. So this is a must-have if you don't have it. Use it to fix any of your kids' toys. 15 bucks, get it for less than 10 bucks, $9.75, and a lifetime warranty. And the rest, again, I'll have this linked in the description so you can see exactly what is available. They do have still says new Doyle 14-in-1 precision screwdriver, nut driver, 12 bucks. Cushion grip handle and spin cap deliver exceptional comfort and precise control. This, I would say, is also a great option. Lifetime warranty, nice little precision screwdriver to keep in the bag. Of course, keep it in the bag. Or they use it to take apart a flex battery. Buy another one for the house if I ever need it. Yes, you'll need it. Small screwdriver. Super versatile. Have it in multiple spots at 12 bucks, but 35% off. Get it down to $7.80. Not a bad deal. And then we'll just peruse through these last ones. It's going to be the Quinn pliers, a couple of insulated screwdrivers, and I will leave it at that. Again, this will be linked in the description, but Harbros, let me know which one of these you're excited about. There's some really good, obviously great deals at 35% off. Super surprised about the Quinn 10 to 50 inch-pound precision torque screwdriver set, 22 piece. But let me know what the Harbros are going to get for the first deep dive into the Spring Black Friday sale. 35% off all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers. Of course, we got 40% off all Braun lights, Elasticords, Hardy gloves, and batteries. So we'll look at those. And one last thing, just to make sure the Harbros don't miss it, we do have a new item added to clearance, 2 cents cheaper than what it originally came out priced at, $899.97. The Hallmaster 2,000-pound capacity 5-foot by 10-foot custom trailer, $899. But of course, we have our 15% off any single item going on this weekend. So this reminds me, this takes me back in time to when this first came out. That's why they raised the price on it, because I think they were selling really good originally, and they had the 20% off, 900 bucks at the 15% off. Get it down to $765. $765 for a trailer? Correct me if I'm wrong, that feels really, really good. But sounds like they're discontinuing it. Worth the wait and build, 5 stars. Overall nice trailer, quality check needs to do better though, okay. Worth the wait and the build, perfect for what I need. It looks nice. Great trailer with a few exceptions. Couldn't be more pleased. Great build, your own trailer. Will be perfect for my application, perfect for what I need. So clearly there's people who are very pleased with the trailer. And maybe it's just the price point at $765. Maybe that's what makes it worth it. Anyways, wanted to share that with the Harbros. Trailer is on clearance, 15% off coupon. If this was ever something you're considering, it would be a good time to combine it. Get it for $765. Anyways, I hope the 10 days of deals treated all the Harbros well. Let me know how it went for you. Happy Thursday. And as always, happy shopping, happy Harbor Freighting. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget 15% off. Any single item, 30% off any single item under 10 bucks. What are you going to get? And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.